Hello again, everybody. It's Harry Boxer, the Technical Trader. It's Monday, October 19th. These are the charts of the day. Alphabetically, and we're going to go over several here. ACFN, Acorn Energy, with a real terrific looking chart, particularly since the July surge where it went into a new rising channel. As you can see, it broke out of a 4 or 5 day flag on Friday and followed through today. Volume is surging. The stock is at the top of this near-term channel, but an acceleration here could get this up towards that $9 or $10 range. So keep an eye on ACFN, particularly on any pullbacks on low volume, but this one looks like it could move over the next few days. APT, Alpha Protech, which is one of our current portfolio positions. Flag dipped on Friday, reversed, and then today came up another 24 cents, nearly 4% on 510,000 shares, and it looks like if it takes out this declining top line right here, that it could explode into that $7.5, $8 range or more, and with the top of the channel near an approximate $10, that would be my target over the next few days for 2 weeks. China Auto, which we highlighted last evening, had a $1.26 gain today, or 12% on 614,000 shares. Looks terrific. It also looks like it's headed to the top of the channel, which right now looks about, call it 14 3/4, 15. So another 3 points is in the offing potentially for CAAS. China-backed battery, CBAK, added to the portfolio today. Here's why: this big surge in September in heavy volume then resulted in a coiling action. And we're at the apex of that coil on low volume. So technically, the stock looks outstanding technically, and this should result in a breakout and move up towards that $6.5 range, my trading target. There's a low price stock for you. China INS Online Corp broke out of a key resistance on a breakaway gap 4 days ago, pulled back for a couple days, and then spiked up today 33 cents or 25% on 1.4 million shares. It looks like it may be headed for a test of that 215.20 zone. Beyond that, if we see additional price progress, we could look for something closer to $3 a share. China Transinfo Technology Corp, CTFO, also a very strong technical pattern. It pulled back down gently on lower volume, and today the volume increased as the stock jumped 59 cents or 5.5%, and the underlying technical is looking as good as they are. This one has a lot of promise. The stock we traded today, EXXI, and here's why. The spike in early September was followed by a coiling action. The stock slowly moved out of it and then accelerated today. Jumped up to 238 before backing off to 212, still up 26% or 14% today on the biggest volume in about 6 weeks. Potentially, if it takes out this level of resistance, this is a stock that could make it up towards the $4 range for a double from where it is approximately right now. Focus Media Holdings, which have been in a nice, steady but shallow rising channel, is accelerating here. Heavy volume has come into it. The stock broke out today up $1.81 or 14% on 6.6 million shares. This is looking real good. Jade. We highlighted over the weekend. I still like it. It's been spent 3 days now consolidating in its range. Volume is low. I'm looking for a move up towards the top of the channel around the $5 level. SPRD, portfolio position. Terrific, and I think a move up towards that $7 range is forthcoming. No reason to assume otherwise. And there is some lateral price resistance around 6, but with the channel the way it is, this is a stock that has lots more potential, and we'll see what happens over the course of the next few days on that one. TXIC, also highlighted last evening. Another Chinese stock continues its flagging action. There's resistance around 11.5. A pop through that should move it towards that 13-14 zone. And top of the channel measures as high as 16-17. So that would be the numbers we'd be looking for on TXIC. USEG had a tremendous high volume surge today. yesterday, I should say, on big volume, and then today actually followed through. So we'll see what comes there. But with heavy volume this way, without a pullback today, I think that the stock is going to be headed higher. Lastly is WATG, Wonder Auto Group, which is in a very strong rising channel over the course of the last 7 or 8 months. Broke out above key resistance 4 days ago, flagged for 2 days, and today broke out of that. Looking for a move that takes us to 18.5, 19 short term. That's it for tonight. There's some good ideas for you. Let's see how it goes tomorrow. Hello again, everybody. It's Harry Boxer, a technical trader. It's Monday,